Hi, my name is Megan Smith, and I am from the Teaching Diverse Learners class, and I'm going to be talking about exceptionality. What is exceptionality? Exceptional people include individuals with disabilities and gifted individuals. Exceptional children differ from the norm to such an extent that they require an individualized program of special education and related services to fully benefit from education. In education today, school districts, you hear a lot of labeling of students, and that comes with ADHD, ODD, ADD, but also the IEP students and the gifted and talented students. Many students I teach currently have 504 plans or are enrolled into the gifted and talented program. A Section 504 states that no otherwise qualified handicapped individual in the U.S. shall solely by reason of his or her handicap be excluded from the participation in or be denied the benefits of or be subjected to discrimination under any program or activity receiving federal financial assistance. A student with an IEP, which is an individualized education plan, may receive different educational services in a special or regular educational setting, depending on the student's needs. 504 plans in gifted and talented. In my classroom, which is social studies for 5th grade, I see both types of these exceptional students. My students with an IEP all have either homework, study guide, or test modifications. Majority of my students also require read-alouds during assignments or anything for a grade that helps them with comprehension. A lot of times on a social studies test, I will go through and do matching and do color coding for the matching problems, eliminate one of the answers out of like A, B, C, or D on a multiple choice test, just so that they don't have so many options to choose from, and it helps them focus on the main reason of the question. My gifted and talented students, they excel in subject areas but also enjoy being engaged and involved in classroom discussions. Teaching students with exceptionalities. Students with disabilities and students who are gifted are both very alike in that they have unique needs in the classroom. They have communication needs, which are students that need straight and honest communication. They have acceptance needs. They need to see me being open and always having a positive attitude. They watch how I act, and then that in turn reflects how they act. And they need to have freedom to grow. Students need me to be accepting and understanding so they can grow individually. I can't do everything for them, and that doesn't allow them to grow. I decided to do a graphic for what I thought exceptionality kind of might look like. And for me, the vision behind it was that all students' brains are geared up differently, and they're wired differently. Some students are better at things than other students are. We are either left-brained or right-brained, and so you have different things that you excel at. Some of my students may need additional services. Some may work best completely independent, and some may excel in everything. But all of my students have something that they're good at and something that they are meant to do, and so that's my job to kind of help foster the things that they are good at. Thank you.